Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Orbit College 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. When you play against a team that likes to have half turns or their wingers attacker in and become half turn, you need to have a proper structure. You need to defend very well in terms of the midfielder and the defenders. You need to be well structured, well coached team, and Orbit College Aiko well coached. I'm going to show you Sundowns, their structure, their formation structure. They like to play lopsided. But bazogcwalisa iside one and leave the other side. First half, it was the right hand side. Second half, it was the left hand side. Now, let's start. You know me. First 15 minutes of the game, it will always tell you about the structures of both teams, right? In this game, Orbit College was playing a 4-4-2 or a 4-4-1-1. Now, question that I want to pose to you guys, when do you see a formation in a team? Do you see it when they are attacking or when they are defending? Because most teams that are very good, or the best teams in the world, their formation change, especially when they are attacking. Now, in this game, right, Usales was playing as a half 10, and then you had Usaleng playing as a winger on the right hand side. On the left hand side, they didn't have a proper winger. Pasadine was always the player on the left hand side, and then Santos was playing as a half 10. So Usales always had space most of the time. Now Usaleng, this is Usales, ball goes back to the defenders. The new thing that Sundowns have decided to do is to have Umudau tucking in at the midfield, right? Not good he becomes a midfield, but he opens up his space for the right winger. And if they lose the ball, in nowadays, but he rest defense. When I used to play Besibiza, Ikar, watch what he does. He doesn't go back to his space. He comes back into here. Remember, they play a double pivot. So in this case, they were giving Uresinho freedom to go forward. If you watched most of the previous games, Allende was the one attacking. But in this game, he was the one sitting down. Look at Usales here. Always in a space. Because why? The Orbit College, they are not well structured. You have a winger, the winger is sticking here next to, let me move this side. You have a winger that's sticking to Umudau. Why? You can't be sticking next to the right back njalo. Okay, sharp. That was just the second minute of the game. Man of the match was Urenas, but for me, man of the match was Usales. Sales my sales. There isn't a lot of players who can play in the pocket. 10. In this video, I just want you to keep an eye on Usales. And these crosses work from the right hand side, Magawa Pasa. Hey, beautiful passes. I want a power inning. It's just good passes. Okay, keep the ball. Anytime ivumanga that side, we keep the ball. Rotate the ball. Bayal switch. Now focus on Usalez. This is a midfielder. When the team is well coached, Bafet, akunakuthi mutoki mutwak. No, awunamuntu mfethu. We have to move, we have to shift. Siya shift, ibhola liyale, nami ngiyale. Now watch. Look at these two. This guy is still focused here. Usalez uyi-1. Now, why doesn't the defender Azala? He doesn't. The Sundowns here, they are too slow. They don't see opportunity. Play the ball here. Or loop the ball. We go back. Ivalegil. Okay, sharp. I don't think you saw this guy. Let me take it back and watch. Gutwenzan. Watch this guy. He realizes good. He sprints. He goes back. Okay, sharp. Ball comes back here. This guy Utini. No, we're not Itlamu. Kimukreile kwaka. Okay, sharp. Ivalile. Let's switch it. This guy was picking Salez. Now ipola shifter. If you are picking umuntu, guys, if it's okay, lo muntu lo sengimakile. When the ball moves there, angithi I have to shift, but you have to wait for someone to tell you ukuthi shifter, because if you leave that person, uyasala lo I1. Uyazosala lo I1. When you go there, they play behind. Watch. He's free. Cross. Should have scored there. You can't, if you're picking someone, you can't leave that person unless you are told. If you leave him, then you need to tell someone good also tata lo muntu lo. You don't just move nje. This team is not well coached, and if they go down, I wouldn't be surprised. Again, focus on Usalez, the space abamnikeza sona. It is too much. Ball is on the right. Okay, sharp. Ivalile lana siyenzani? Siya switch sharp. Saleh moves into this space. The left winger, guys, ngiyaphinda futhi. Awuna muthu. We play zonal marking. Awuna muthu. Stop focusing on the right back. Look at these three midfielders and you look at these this winger. Yeah? Usaleng pulls the left back. Now, Usalez is all alone. Look at the left winger. Sorry to disturb you guys. Remember last year I said I'll be doing a player analysis, right? That's only for memberships. People who are members, right? If you are a member, you can request which player do you want me to do a player analysis. Please join, guys. It's only 15 rand. Or the first level is 15 rand. The startup package is 15 rand. Yes, I know Buffet times are tough. We live in a bad economy, right? But it's 15 rand. Please join. Please become a member. Extra content, right? Extra content for members only. I'll be posting exclusive content for our members only. Now, please continue watching. Look at the left wing. Look at the space here. Bah! Could have done better here. Could have done better lapaya Usaleng. You have two options. You have three options: to shoot, to pass. You can pass here, or you can pass here. Awukasikori ulimo mfana ngithi. No, ukasikori ulida. You've never scored from there. You won't score from there. The next clip that I'm going to show you guys is because a lot of people are busy rules, the rules of football. You have a commentator who used to play professional football who doesn't know the rules. You have a lot of fans on social media who don't know the rules of football. This was not a goal. This was an offside. Now, again, you need to know the play. If you're a player, you need to know the players odlala nabo ukuthi bamnandi na on their feet or decision making here. Sharp. Umtao could have played the ball here, but he decides to play it to Uchohannis. Uchohannis, for me, yeah, he's not that good. You can't play the ball here. Hey, but you cannot do that. You can't. Okay, Sharp. Break attack. Now, the rules of football. Nice passing here. Mfanagiti. Stay on your feet. Stay on your feet. Bad touch by Usales. A lot of people are saying Guti, this was a goal because he played at Orbit College, he didn't take ball. No, guys. No. This is an offside. Offside. You know why? If you're thinking it's not an offside, because ultintil. The Orbit College player needs to be in control of their pass. Right? Just because ultintile, he's not in control of that pass. So you need to be in control of the pass. If begal passile or al headil al controlling the pass, then yes, it was going to be a goal. But he's not in control of the pass. I'm not sure if you've noticed, guys. Most teams that come from the second division, when the season starts, they don't get a lot of experienced players. But as soon as they start losing games, that's when you see them start signing players. January, December, they start signing players. And then Ngalisos Kati, it's probably too late. Now, their attacking line, it needs experienced players. It needs quality. But let's start here. So, Orbit did have moments in the game. They didn't have chances. They had moments in the game where they could have utilized that. Now, Sundowns. Salem, pass a ball on Panangit. Pass a ball. Now, counter attack. You are a winger. You are a winger. You are a winger, and it is 3 against 3. And then utwere ball, and then with a so you want options as a winger. Bafet. You cannot. Watch what he does. Uvulizand, you want options. 1 against 1. Mrena. As a winger, that is your best. That's the best chance you're going to get to take on a player. Do something and then you pass the ball late. Urenas is a good finisher, both feet, right? But when it comes to heading the ball, he's not a good header. He's not a good header. Ball is on the right. Okay, Sharp. Perfect. Sometimes Sundowns, they want to rotate the ball. Cool. If you look at Barcelona nowadays, under the new coach, Hansi Flick, they keep the ball, but they also play direct. Because we could have passed the ball here. Pass the ball here, attack. But we decided let's move. Okay, Sharp. Again, watch you Sales. The space here, Oresino is free. Sharp. Watch this guy. He was here, now he's going to move here. But the beautiful pass from Cupido. Oh, beautiful pass, beautiful trapping. Ba. There was a bad pass. But that movement, Bafetu, that movement and identifying ukuthi laphaya kune space. Oh, that was a beautiful pass. Then we lose the ball. I-Obit. Aw, mara bafethu. Better. But I'm going to talk about the defending here. Why? Batlotsamaya ba. Sharp. Striker, two center backs. As a center back, I cannot be okay. Tingime so as a center back, and then there's a striker here. I have to come this side. I can't be running here. I need to protect the poles. I have to run and stand this side. Angithi defender la and jump with him this side, not lentole, not this thing here. Watch, you can't be. What are you doing this side, my man? But and at that time Mphahlele has been playing Ipola since I don't. Hey. Second half, guys. Remember what I always say: what you do on the left-hand side, you must be able to do it on the right-hand side. Second half, Sundowns, what they did on the right-hand side, they changed it. They did it on the left-hand side. Now, remember, Usaleng was playing as the right winger. In second half, he changed to a left winger. Right? Tingizela. Nangusaleng la. Now, in the first half, you had Pasadine, who Ohaka line, close to the line on the left-hand side. Now, in the second half, it was Umutau on the line. But now, there's no right winger. There is a half 10, which is Usalis. And this thing, it caused them problems. Very smart by technical team Sundowns. The moment Obit started to pick up what Sundowns was doing in the first half by change by Enzangar, and then they struggled. They struggled. Look at Umutau is all alone, and this thing, it causes confusion between. It causes confusion for the left back, because he doesn't know good. Must I press here or must I go there? But now it's Sundowns here. Okay, good pressing here. Baba pressile. Kamnandi, right? Sundowns could have done better, but Baba pressile. If we are playing against a strong team, now the goal is coming. If we are playing against a strong team and we are in their half, as Bafagain under pressure, let's keep the ball. Let's keep the ball there. Watch what they do. Mara Jehovah. They throw the ball, babuyele move. Mphahlele ulenzani? Goalkeeper. Kahleli bola phambili. He decides to play the ball here. Okay, sharp. They lose it. It's a free kick. Yeah? They had the ball in Sundowns half. Why is Singapore under pressure? Throw the ball late down the line, good striker. The striker is tall. Play the ball there. He decided to play the ball. He goalkeeper. Now it's a free kick. Sundowns yenzani? Thathi bola. Play a quick free kick. Sales cross phakathi inside. All because we had the team under pressure and then we released the pressure. Sibuyisele ibhola emuva. For ini? What is the purpose ukuthi sipress the team? What's the purpose? Sugar. Let me take it back. It's the basic things, Bafethu. Now watch. I always say you need to see the danger or smell the danger Even if you can taste the danger, taste it if you want to taste it. He doesn't see the danger. He doesn't smell the danger. Ababui, no one is coming back from this right hand side. Obi. Agekho nje umbonela gijima kakhulu on this side. Cross, pa, phakathi. Just like that. Sundown second goal. It comes because of they don't have a right winger and the Obit didn't adjust. They haven't adjusted. Ball on the left. They played there. Now sharp. I want you to look at this. This is Usales playing as a half 10. Now Umutau is there. No right wing on it. Sharp. Keep it. There's nothing wrong. There is nothing wrong. You play the keeper as long as we still have the ball. Sharp. Now watch this run. This run by Uresino dropping here. He pulls the central midfielder. When he pulls the central midfielder, now Saleng becomes free. Sales is free, but the ball goes to the right back. Look at this space. I won. Now this becomes 2 against 1. Watch. Yeah. Yes. Place the ball there. It's 2 against 1. Cross. Penalty. When you don't have a winger, and you have a fullback going there, but you have a half 10, it makes confusion. The left back doesn't know Uguti. You need to have coaches that are very smart, that will be able to tell you Uguti Melo Wednesday. But what I want you, yes, this is a penalty, but what I want you to see is the movement. He plays the ball to the right. He continues his run. He doesn't stop. The ball is crossed, but Uzofika before Umpahlele. Yes, Umpahlele is occupied. I understand. Penalty. Decision making is very important, guys. Decision making is very important. This guy can pass, Bafit. Mara Reina, Mfanagit. I know. This was bad, guys. This was bad. No, I'll show you. Look at this pass. Oh, Bafit. This guy can pass. This guy pass. He's the best passer at Poku Sundowns. Yes. It's just that Santos, he plays I'm a champagne pass, cool, but this guy can pass. Sharp. Now we analyze the situation here. The ball, you are in front of the striker. You are in front of the striker. You decide ukuthi ufuna ukulivala. Why? For who? Why? Why ufuna ukulivala ibhola when your strong foot is the right foot? Defender. Nayi defender la. Why ungakhona uku-adjusta then you shoot? When ufuna ukulivala futhi ulise ka left. Okay, let's see ukuthi wenzani. Now, there is space here. There is space on the right hand side of the keeper. He decides ukuthi ufuna ukulishaya la. There is 2 defenders. Bafethu, angithi uyalivala so. Ulivalile. Play the ball there. Because if you want to bring the ball la, there is 2 defenders here who are trying to block you. Decision making, Bafethu. Ulivalile, play the ball there. It's simple. Play the ball here. Bana bafethu. Ka re tlotsa ene ko World Cup mo. Final clip bese ngiyavala guys. I always say if you are a striker and you won phambili or in the box, always make a run to first pole because you want to leave space behind for the midfielders, right? Sundowns did it, I won't say perfectly because they didn't score. Could have been better. Now, hey, let me take it back. Let me show you this. Kwelang men marking for what? For who? The ball is on the left. This guy is focused on Urisinho, right? If the ball moves, now you need to move, my guy. Yeah? You need to move. You need to move, my guy, here so that he can come here. But he doesn't. Now these Sundowns players have space. He doesn't know what to do. He doesn't know where to go. Yeah? The midfield, the left winger, I mean the left back now, akazi aritsebi wetala ini ra dlala nje ra ka ke challenge. Eh? You press, it's too late now. They play the ball there, then he beats you. Mara mfana ngithi pa. Now watch what I was saying. You move as a striker. You go to the first pole. Stalling, this was a good run here. Hey, Mara Matthews mfana ngithi unlucky. But everything else except the pass was done to the T. Unfortunately, the final pass. I always decision making every game. Decision making is very important. Just like making a decision to subscribe, to follow, and to become a member. Please join, become a member. Only 15 rand, Buffett. 15 rand. Just save nyana. Imali PA1 again. One beer per month. You just minus 1 beer per month. Ngiyabonga bafethu. Thank you for watching.